going to show you how to mount a standard 1-inch diameter lens into the standard components that we use in our lab. Okay, so I have my lens in the box here, but before I even get the lens out, I'm going to start to take off this lens ring on this lens mount here. And the way that I'm going to do that is use this tool here. It has the ability to take off that lens ring. There's a little groove in it that allows me to do that. Okay, the lens ring comes out, set that aside. So I'll need to put that right back in. Okay, so then I'm going to take my lens out, take the tape off the box, put it on the bottom here. Okay, and as with any optical element, I'm going to be really careful not to touch anything but the edges. Okay, and I'm going to actually just put the mount right up on the box, on the padded thing there. Okay, so I'm just touching the edges here, and I'm just going to kind of drop it in there and make sure that it's all the way down. And then I'm going to put that lens ring back there, and again get the grooves lined up, and just start putting that lens ring back in. And you want to get it down until it just touches the optic, and you don't want it to be super tight, just securing it, but not tight, because you don't want to crack anything. Okay, you want it to be easy to get it undone when you need to. Okay, so that's how you get the lens in there. Okay, I'm just going to set it there for now. And then before I do anything else, I'm actually going to just get the post holder ready. We're going to put this post on there, but the post is going to go in the post holder. I have a 2-inch post, a 2-inch post holder, and I have to secure that post holder to the base here. I'm going to use a 3/8 inch long 1/4-20 screw. So put that through here, just barely pokes up above there. I thread this on, and I use a 3/16 inch tool to get that on there just nice and snug. Okay, and then I'll use the screw that's already in there to just go into the bottom of this lens mount. Okay, and I'm just going to get it snug just by hand. That should be good enough. And then I'm going to undo the thumb screw on the post holder enough so that I can easily slip that in, and it allows me to adjust the height. And then if I need to set the height so that it doesn't go up or down, then I can put the thumb screw in a little bit more. Typically we keep all of our heights at around 4 inches above the table. Okay, so that's how you do that, and you can use this same mounting method with the post holder and this post for any type of a mount that requires a threaded 832 screw like that. Okay, if you're doing a mirror mount, you have to remove the threaded 832, headless 832, and replace it with one that has a head on it. Okay, so that's how you do a lens mount.